Welcome to my channel. In this video we will replace those foot stand. This is a Peugeot Fox with those one semicircle pipe. They are larger and comfortable than those sleepy one. First I will weld those two parts together. Weld this angle iron to this semicircle pipe. We weld it from this side and the other side, and then it will be cut, and we will do a hole here. After welding, now we will cut this angle iron from this side. After welding this metallic bracket, now we will make a hole here in this part. If we have a hole, we will make a hole in this bracket, and we will do another one symmetric to this one from the other side. To mark the position of the hole, you can use a small pencil from the other side. You put the angle iron and you mark the position of the drilling. We will first do a small hole, then we will enlarge the hole to pass this bolt. Now we put the two pieces together, and we mark the place of the second bracket. It will be welded here. They are symmetric. After finishing the two parts, now they will be connected with this iron bar. They will be welded from this side and this side and the two other side to add more rigidity. Now the two sides are installed, and we weld this rebar between them, but they still rotate. So to stop this rotation, you must weld here a bracket and connect this part to this bolt, so it will stop the rotation. It will be fixed permanently. The two parts are welded together. Now the scooter footrest is fixed, rigid, now rotational movement. This bar connects the two sides. It will be painted black. Now we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice time.